and welcome back to our channel.
We're in the process of designing a Mother's Day dessert table.
The first thing that we're going to be doing is decorating the sugar cookies. We already have the sugar cookies made and the icing made. If you want to learn how to make them, they'll be in the link in the description below.
Let's start decorating. For our decorating station, we have our silicone mats, our cookies, toothpicks, moistened clean paper towel for wiping our decorating tips and toothpicks. For the decorating bags, we have 7 colors. We have 2 bigger bags for filling all of our cookies and 5 smaller bags for doing all the pretty roses. The detailed work, we don't need a lot of icing and we will be using decorating tip number 1. For filling the cookies, we are using decorating tip number 2. So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is ice the main parts of our cookies. The first step is the outline and the second step is filling the outline. We will do the handles later on. We are going to fill all of our cookies, then allow them to dry for 2 hours before we start decorating them. So this is how Cora and I decorate our cookies. We sit for many hours right beside each other. This is definitely one of our favorite things to do together. We allowed our cookies to dry for 2 hours and now we're going to start decorating them. A lot of teacups have gold accents around them and it just makes them look so beautiful, and we wanted our cookies to have them as well. All of the gold details that I want on my cookies, I'm going to be using white icing to add all of those details. I'm going to allow my cookies to dry for 30 minutes before I can start painting it in gold. Cora is starting the first layer of our roses. Our roses consist of 1 color, 3 different shades, and this is what's going to make them look really pretty. This rose kind of starts off funny, and even Cora was like, where are we going with this? But eventually, once you start adding all the other different layers, it's going to start to look really cute. Cora only has experience making sugar cookies for families, so I have no idea how she got so good. I've been decorating sugar cookies for 10 years, so I have a lot of experience, but my daughter, her artistic abilities just amazes me all the time, and I'm so lucky that she has the patience to do the kind of stuff I like to do, and that makes her the perfect assistant. We are adding our second layer of the rose, and it doesn't matter which shade you put first. To make our rose, using the first color, we make a shape that looks exactly like a comma. We let the first layer dry for 20 minutes. With the second color, using the same comma shape, you add your second comma in the opposite direction of the first comma, slightly overlapping the first one and creating a circular shaped rose. With the last color, you want to make sure that you're not covering too much of the first 2 colors. You want to start your comma at the center of the rose and just curl it around, keeping the rose round shaped. We are now adding the leaves, and this is where our rose is finally going to start looking really cute. My leaf consists of 2 colors, dark green and light green. The first thing that I do is I drop a dot of dark green in the areas where I want my leaves. Then right on top I add a drop of light green. Then with my toothpick I pull both colors away to create a pointy end. Now with the leaves, our cookies are finally starting to look super cute. Cora's going to continue adding the leaves, and I'm going to start painting the white areas, the white little details that I added in gold. And after that, we're going to be done our cookies, and they are going to look absolutely beautiful. Cora and I are so excited to be sharing the final setup of our Mother's Day dessert table, and I can't tell you how much I just love seeing my sugar cookies on my dessert tables. These sugar cookies turned out so pretty, and we are just so excited to be sharing our dessert table with you guys. We hope you enjoyed watching our decorating process, and if you would like to watch how we create our dessert tables, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. In our next video, we are going to be making flower arrangements for our Mother's Day dessert table. Until next time guys, bye!